Metal names in English. Iron. Iron. Iron is a strong, heavy metal. It is used to make many things because it is cheap and tough.
Iron is used to make nails for building houses.
Cast iron. Cast iron. Cast iron is a type of iron that is hard but breaks easily. It is good for cooking pots.
A cast iron pan is used to cook food on the stove.
Steel. Steel. Steel is a mix of iron and other materials. It is very strong and used in buildings and cars.
Inside the factory, there are large steel balls used in the machines.
Aluminum. Aluminum. Aluminum is a light, silver-colored metal. It is used for things that need to be lightweight.
Aluminum cans hold soda drinks.
Copper. Copper. Copper is a reddish metal. It carries electricity well and is used in wires.
Copper wires are used in house electrical systems.
Gold. Gold. Gold is a shiny, yellow metal. It is very valuable and used for jewelry.
A gold ring is worn on the finger.
Silver. Silver. Silver is a shiny, white metal. It is used for coins and decorations.
She bought a beautiful silver necklace.
Brass. Brass. Brass is a mix of copper and zinc. It is yellow and used for musical instruments.
A brass trumpet makes music.
Zinc. Zinc. Zinc is a bluish-white metal. It protects other metals from rust.
Zinc is used to coat steel pipes.
Mercury. Mercury. Mercury is a liquid, silver metal. It is used in thermometers.
Mercury is used in old thermometers.
Rose gold. Rose gold. Rose gold is a mix of gold and copper. It has a pink color and is used in jewelry.
Rose gold is used in watch bands.
White gold. White gold. White gold is a mix of gold and white metals. It looks silver and is used in jewelry.
White gold is used in engagement rings.
That's all for today. Did you learn new English words about metals? Tell me your favorite metal in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time.